Welcome back to Just Scale Models. Today we're taking a look at something from ITALERI. This is the M-977 HEMTT heavy 10-ton US truck. So here you can see the ITALERI logo, our title in a couple languages. Here it is 1/35th scale and number 292. And a pretty nice illustration on the front of the box here. If we look at the sides, we can see more information in various languages there. Continuing, a little bit different perspective on the information. Also, same on this side. So let's look on this side. You can see here additional information in more languages, barcode, date of 1996, and some age suggestions, as well as here are the paint suggestions from the Model Master series. So we'll go ahead and take a look on the inside. Basic instructions for the M977 Oshkosh truck. So there are, variants that you could convert this into. This just happens to be the basic, how would you say, flatbed truck version. And I don't actually see a crane or anything additional in the back, so you would have to source either additional pieces or a different version of the model series. Here you can see here is another instruction sheet in various languages. I went ahead and preserved the decals in a separate bag, but you can see them there for number 292. These are the clear pieces. They're still in the original plastic. You can see it's starting to age a little bit there. Here are your wheel sets. Here's your spare wheel, which is interesting that it's molded in a different color, if you notice. These are hard plastic, so they're not actually rubber. And you can see here the level of detail in the trees. And again, this is the basic M977. And as you can see, there's not a lot of large pieces involved because it is basically, looks like one fell off the tree from right here. If you notice, put that back in this bag carefully. But if you notice, the main cab assembly and the long pieces of the bed are the only really large pieces, and they're basically flat. This is the only one that's really at a true angle here. The front windshield light and lower cab assembly parts there. As you can see, some of the pieces are continuing to fall off. So carefully lower these back into here. So again, this is from around the 1996 time frame, possibly later, depending on the mold series. And again, taking a quick look at the M977 HMTT heavy 10-ton US truck from ITALERI. This has been another unboxing video. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We also do kind of show and tell videos, as well as a selection of book review meter reviews. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.